Hi all, this is me Sangram. You are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today in this video, I will tell you how to become an ethical hacker or cybersecurity analyst. So in this video, I will provide you a complete roadmap on ethical hacking as a career. So before starting the video, I want to introduce myself. As you all know, my name is Sangram Gupta and currently I am working in Deloitte as a cybersecurity consultant. And I have almost 4+ years of experience in cybersecurity. So I'll provide you a complete roadmap in this video how you can become a cybersecurity analyst. So if you are a student or a fresher, or if you are working in any organization in any domain and you are looking for a job change or you are looking for a fresh start in your career in ethical hacking and cybersecurity domain, please watch the entire video. I can guarantee you that if you can watch the entire video, there will be no doubt in your mind. And also I have separated this video in 3 parts. First 2 parts will be for students. First part will be for those students who are in technical background. Second part will be those students who are not in technical background but still want to become a cybersecurity analyst. And last part will be the experienced people who are in different domain and they want to switch their domain to cybersecurity. So this video might be a little bit long video, but please stay tuned with this video. After completion of this video, you will get all of your answers, and after that still if you have any doubt, any query, feel free to ask me in the comment section. As you all know, in this channel you will get regular job updates and career paths, career related updates and course updates. So if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe the channel and stay tuned with us to get regular job updates. So without wasting any time, let's go to my laptop screen and I'll show you the complete roadmap there. Hi guys, welcome to my computer screen, and as you can see in the screen, I have already created a detailed roadmap for ethical hacking and cybersecurity career. Okay, so if you are a student or if you are a working professional, you want to switch your career in cybersecurity domain, you can watch the video and you can just follow the roadmap. I can assure you that if you can follow the roadmap, you can be an ethical hacker or cybersecurity analyst in future. Okay, so here I have categorized the roadmap by 3 points. First one is for students who are in science background. Second one is the students who are in commerce or arts background, and third one is for working professionals who are currently working in different domain but they want to switch their domain to cybersecurity or ethical hacking. Okay, so before starting the roadmap, I will tell you one thing: anyone can become an ethical hacker or cybersecurity professional. You just need a strong conceptual knowledge and you just need to build your passion on this domain. Okay, if you can build the passion, no matter what you are from, which domain or which career background, you can become a cybersecurity analyst. Okay, so let's discuss the overall roadmap, and I'll also share you the roadmap details in my description area so that you can follow the roadmap after watching the video as well. So first one is for students who are in science background, like who are doing BTech, BSc, MCA, MSc, BCA, these degrees. Okay, so first thing is, during your degree you have to focus on some subjects. So if you are from technical background doing engineering or related to engineering field, these subjects you will get in your semesters. Okay, so you just need to focus on this subject and you need to deep dive on the fundamentals and topics of the subject. What are the subjects? First one is networking fundamentals. Second one is operating system. Third one is any one object-oriented programming-based programming language. Fourth one is Linux or Unix shell scripting, and last one is software development lifecycle. So these 5 subjects you have to focus in your college life. So if you are now studying in college, please start creating notes on these subjects and please deep dive on the subjects and get all the knowledge and concepts. Okay, now what is the second process or second stage of this roadmap? In your last semester you have to go for one entry level certification. Okay, these are the professional certifications which will help you to get placed in a cybersecurity domain. So I have mentioned here 5 certification, but don't worry, you just need to complete one certification to start your career. And when you start your career as a cybersecurity professional, then you can go for another certification. Okay. So what are the certification? First one is CompTIA Security Plus. Second one is Certified Ethical Hacker (CEH). Third one is IBM Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certification. Fourth one, Microsoft Certified Security Compliance and Identity Fundamentals. And last one is Google Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certification. So you can search any of the certification. These all are paid certification. And when you have to do this certification in your last semester, okay? So it will take almost 4 to 6 months to complete the certification. Just complete any of the certification which will help you to get shortlisted in a cybersecurity domain or cybersecurity based company. Now what is the final stage? Start building your resume, and also you need to mention the certification as well. And LinkedIn profile you have to build. You have to mention some skills like SIM, network security, endpoint security, vulnerability assessment, etc. So these skills you can get from the certification program. Okay, so that's why I told you to complete any of the certification. Read some interview question from Geeks for Geeks interview bit. Okay, some entry level interview question you can get there, and you have to prepare on it and get shortlisted within 1 to 2 months. You just need to keep applying in LinkedIn and Naukri, and within 1 to 2 months you will get shortlisted. Then you have to go for the interview process, and you can start your career as a cybersecurity analyst. Now let's discuss about the second roadmap, which is only designed for arts and commerce background students who are doing BA, BCom, MA, MCom, these degrees. So first you need to complete your graduation. Okay, once you have completed your graduation, you have to enroll for any one certification. Okay, so these certification are related to the infrastructure. Okay, these are not cybersecurity certification, these are paid certification. But as you are from arts or commerce domain, you don't know about any technical thing or technical infrastructure related thing, so you don't know what to protect and how to protect. Okay, so first you need to focus on what to protect. Okay, so these are all the infrastructure related certification. Here you will get the networking fundamentals, server fundamentals, or cloud fundamentals. Okay, so 5 certification I have mentioned, like CCNA, CompTIA Network Plus, CompTIA A Plus, Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals, Google IT Support Professional Certification. So you can pursue any one of the certification, and please complete the certification within 4 to 5 months. Then you have to join any company. Okay, so you if you are from non-tech background, you can't directly start your career in cybersecurity. First you need to gather some knowledge and experience on infrastructure, then you can move to cybersecurity. So you have to join any company. If you can complete any of the certification, you can easily get a job, and you will get these roles as well. Okay, so 5 roles I have mentioned. First one is network administrator, second one is desktop engineer, third one is cloud engineer or cloud administrator, fourth is server administrator, and fifth one is infrastructure support. So when you are searching for the job in LinkedIn or Naukri after completion of the certification, you need to use these keywords to get the job. Okay, and you just need to hold the job for 1 to 2 years and take all the hands-on experience on infrastructure like network, cloud, and server. Okay, so what is the next step? After 1 to 2 years of experience, please complete any of the certifications. So here the certifications are almost same. Okay, so the certification which I have mentioned before also, like IBM Cybersecurity Analyst, Certified Ethical Hacker, CompTIA Security Plus, SSCP, Google Cybersecurity Analyst. So you have to enroll any of the certification after 1 to 2 years of work experience. Okay, and then once you have completed the certification, you can go for the cybersecurity roles. You can directly switch the domain in your same company, or else you can switch to your current company and you can apply for another company as a cybersecurity analyst role. You will get the role, and you just need to showcase your all the skills related to infrastructure and cybersecurity, which you will learn from the certification and your experience. Okay, that's it. So the roadmap will be little bit lengthy, but yeah, if you have a desire to become a cybersecurity analyst, you can follow this roadmap to become a cybersecurity analyst. and you can also get job and get shortlisted. That is almost 100%. And follow the roadmap. I can guarantee you that you can become a cybersecurity analyst after 2 years. Okay. Now, third is roadmap for working professionals. So currently working in any another domain, it might be tech or non-tech. Okay, but you want to become a cybersecurity analyst because cybersecurity is one of the domain which is very trending in market, and in future also the scope of the domain and the demand of the domain will be very high. Okay, so if you want to switch your domain from another domain to cybersecurity analyst, you can follow any one of the path. So first, I will explain. If you are from tech domain, suppose you have a developer or network engineer, cloud administrator, okay, then which path you need to follow? You just need to complete one certification. So these are some advanced level certification. These are not like the entry level certification which I have mentioned previously. So these certifications are different. I have mentioned 5 certification. You just need to complete one certification. Okay, CCSP, CEH, CISSP, SSCP, Microsoft Certified Security Operation Analyst Associate, SC200. So if you are from tech background, you just need to complete the certification and you can directly apply for the job. You can switch your domain in the same company, or else you can make a resume and go and apply for the cybersecurity roles in another company. You can easily get the job, or you can easily shortlisted for it. Okay. Now, suppose you are currently working in any BPO industry or sales marketing domain, operations domain, any non-technical domain. Then what you have to do? There you have to enroll one program which will be PG certification program. Okay. So if you don't know how to enroll for PG certification program, you can comment below. I will make a dedicated video on it. So I will just briefly explain what will be happen here. So in PG certification program, you have to enroll a program in one of the websites which I have mentioned, like Simply Learn, Triple ITB, IntelliPath, Migrate Learning. So you need to search for it and you need to enroll for a program. It will be either 6 month or 1 year program, and it will be a executive program. So no need to drop your job. You can continue your studies along with the job. After completion of the program, they will provide you the job assistance, and they will also share your resume with various companies to get shortlisted in a cybersecurity domain. Okay, that is the that is my recommendation. If you are working now and if you want to switch in cybersecurity domain, any of the path you can follow based on your work nature. Okay. In the second one, like if you are going for PG certification program, that is very that will be very great for you, because in the program they will teach you everything about cybersecurity, and also they will help you to build a project or real life examples, how you have to deal with the security threats, vulnerabilities, anomalies. So these all experience you can get in the 1 year PG certification program. So I will recommend everyone who want to become a cybersecurity analyst. If you want to explore, you can explore the programs. If you want a dedicated video on it, please comment below. I will make a dedicated video on one of the cybersecurity certification program. Now, after completion of this, you can directly apply for the job, or if you are going for PG certification, they will also provide you the job assistance and you can easily get the job. And by this path, you can become a cybersecurity analyst in future. So this is the overall roadmap, and now I will explain what are the popular roles which you will get after completion of the roadmap. So there are 9 roles I have mentioned. Any of the role you can get, and you can start your career. So the roles are SOC analyst, network security engineer, information security analyst, security engineer, compliance engineer, security auditor, ethical hacker, cybersecurity consultant, and GRC analyst. I have mentioned this role here because whenever you have completed all the certifications and you have designed your resume, you need to search the jobs in LinkedIn. Okay, so that time these keywords will help you to search the jobs in LinkedIn and Naukri. So you can use these keywords and you can search the appropriate job based on your profile. So that's all about the video. I hope the roadmap will be very helpful for you from this year. And if you can follow the roadmap, I can assure you that you will be a cybersecurity analyst as soon as possible. If you think that the video is helpful for you, please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel to get regular job updates and various career related updates which will help you to get successful in your future career. Thank you for watching. So I hope the roadmap is helpful for you and you can start the roadmap based on your situation. If you are a student, you can pick any of the roadmap, or if you are in working professional, you can also select the third option. Okay, so it's completely up to you, and if there is still any doubt in your mind, feel free to ask me in the comment section, or else you can directly DM me in my Instagram or LinkedIn profile. All the links are provided in the description area. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel and please enable the bell icon to get regular job updates, career updates and course update. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.